Everything we do involves water. All right? To produce the food, to grow the crops, to raise the cattle that are the basis of our food production, we need water. All our industrial processes require water, whether it's mineral extraction, whether it's generation of energy or manufacturing of goods, it all requires water. In addition, water is the basis of the life support system of our Earth.
Although we are known as a water planet, a very minor part of that water is actually available for humans to live on. We need to ensure that we have a safe and reliable supply for humans. Why do we have to care as Canadians about water? We have the Great Lakes Basin, which is home to one of the largest freshwater resources of the world, and yet a very minor part of that is actually being recycled. So basically, as we draw water from that, it's like having money in the bank. We're taking the money out and we're not putting it back. And so we need to focus on protecting that water stock, as well as focusing on what we're doing as we transform that water coming in and leaving. Water has no boundaries. It can go from the terrestrial to the aquatic system, goes downstream across different jurisdictions. So we have water that the United States, for example, depends on a great deal. In fact, some of the work that I've done has shown that many of the Americans are looking to the water supplies of Canada that might help sustain them into the future. Water is an international issue, not just a local one.
In many areas of the world, development is limited by the availability of clean water. If we can increase the availability of clean water, we automatically will generate economic prosperity. So there's a direct link between water availability and prosperity. Green technologies often are essentially mimicking what nature is already doing. So by better understanding at a fundamental level how a natural process works, actually can lead to the development of new green technologies. The research we're doing is essential to provide the knowledge base and the facts that are necessary to inform public debate about water issues, and also the knowledge that is needed to develop sound policies in terms of water.
Where we're taking this is starting to work very closely with policymakers. So we're taking the science that we're learning from the lab and the field and being able to come up with tools that governments can then use to protect those water resources on the landscape.
Innovation in water directly implies innovation in the economy. It creates jobs, it leads to economic prosperity, and it also increases our well-being as humans. It's an important part of our lives.